Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by searching, not guessing. Press the Windows key and type Excel. This uses index search, so it finds the app fast. If Excel appears, open it. Make sure you're signed into the account that holds the Office license because the app may be hidden without it. Once done, right-click the Excel icon and pin it to Start or Taskbar for instant access later. This step reduces repeated searching and explains why search behavior matters. Indexing and account permissions determine visibility. Next, you verify how files actually open. Right-click any XLSX and choose Open with to set Excel as the default so files launch correctly. If Excel doesn't appear, you may have the web-only version. Go to Office. Com to confirm. You can also use Windows plus R and type Excel, EXE to force the desktop app to start, which bypasses file associations and clarifies whether the executable is installed. Make sure you note the version shown in About. Compatibility and feature differences explain why certain files behave differently. To finish, pin Excel to the taskbar and create a desktop shortcut so you won't repeat the hunt. If Excel fails to open or crashes, go to Settings, right arrow, Apps, right arrow, find Microsoft 365 or Office and choose Modify, then run Quick or Online Repair. This restores missing components. Make sure to sign out and sign back into your Microsoft account if activation errors appear. Troubleshooting tip: if repair doesn't work, uninstall and reinstall from your Microsoft account. This resolves corrupted installs most reliably.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.